Hey everyone, it's Josh from Supermatic, the home of espressoplanet.com. I made a video yesterday unboxing the Compak K10 fresh on-demand grinder, and today we now have it set up, calibrated with our Rancilio Classe 9 2-group. So I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to actually grind and make 2 quick cappuccinos with this grinder. I went over a few things on the video, like how to adjust the grind, the different options for a single and a double. We're going to use the automatic function where you press it once for a single or you press the portafilter in twice for a double. So we're just going to use the automatic function, and this way you can see how fast the grinder is and how easy it is to use. So I'm just going to go ahead and grind enough for 2 cappuccinos. And you can leave it there. Now you can see how fast that was. Go over. Damn. So while that's going, I'm going to leave this in there. Now I'm going to steam my milk. And that's it. I mean, it's done. It's literally that simple. You always purge. And nice beautiful espresso. Not sure if you can see this or not, but a little bit of art. There's one, a little bit left over, I'm going to froth it up 2. Now technically I could have done one here, one on the iSteam, which is unique to the Class 9. It's like an automatic frother. It's got a temperature probe, injects air automatically. It makes life a little bit easier for the barista. Yeah. That's it. So very fast. And that one, not quite as much foam as the first one. But you can see just how quick and easy it is to grind for your cappuccinos. That's Compak K10.